Ever stared at a dashboard, feeling like you missed an important memo? The information button swoops in as your tiny but mighty guide. It ensures users don't get lost in a sea of data. With a simple hover, it unveils extra details, making dashboards more user-friendly. Think of it as the friendly tour guide who never gets tired of answering the same questions. A handy writes, "Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Imagine a tiny but powerful assistant sitting quietly on your dashboard. That's the information button. It pops up with useful insights so users aren't left guessing. Whether it's explaining complex metrics or offering context, this little helper makes Power BI more interactive. And don't worry, it won't start telling knock-knock jokes. Unless, of course, you program it to. Let's be honest, data can sometimes feel like a foreign language. The information button is here to translate. It breaks down complexity, making your dashboard more user-friendly. Think of it as a helpful sidekick, always there, never intrusive, and definitely not judging your Excel skills. Power BI offers multiple ways to create information buttons. Whether you want a quick tooltip or a detailed page, there's an option for every need. And if you love customization, using the UNICHAR DAX function lets you design unique icons. That's right, you can get as fancy as you want. All right, let's talk about text boxes. They're the foundation for presenting key information. First, you select the text box tool, simple enough. Then you position it strategically, ensuring it grabs attention. After that, type in your information, keep it concise and meaningful. Finally, formatting matters. Bold, color, and size adjustments can turn a plain text box into an engaging focal point. Now, bookmarks. Think of them as little checkpoints in your presentation. First, you choose the essential places that need quick access. Next, setting bookmarks ensures smooth navigation. Assign actions. Clicking a button should lead directly to relevant slides. And finally, test. Because clicking and getting lost in a sea of slides is never fun. Buttons add a layer of interactivity. First, craft a clickable button, make it attractive but not flashy. Then link it to a bookmark so that users navigate effortlessly. Transitions should feel smooth, not jarring. And always test. No one wants an information button that leads to slide 99 instead of slide 3. Now testing time. Click every button methodically, leave no stone unturned. If a button leads to the wrong slide, it's time for troubleshooting. Fix broken links before they become an embarrassing oversight. And finally, think about user experience. If it's seamless, you're golden. The golden rules of button design. First, simplicity wins, don't overcomplicate. Navigation should be intuitive, users shouldn't need a map. Buttons must stand out, but not in a neon flashing lights way. And most importantly, update links often. An outdated link is as helpful as a dead-end street. Mistakes. Oh, they happen. Overcomplicating buttons makes users frustrated. Forgetting to test them can lead to chaotic navigation. Labels matter. Click here is vague, while learn more is useful. Lastly, ignoring user experience. That's a recipe for disaster. Now let's see these buttons in action. They shine in educational content, making lessons engaging. A corporate training, a streamlined, dashboards. They become user-friendly. And storytelling. Buttons can guide viewers through an immersive journey. And that's a wrap. Information buttons make things accessible and easy to digest. They add interaction, keeping users engaged. Navigation becomes seamless, and let's be honest, no one enjoys getting lost in presentations. When done right, these buttons can transform user experience. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.